Is your YouTube channel frozen and you don't know what to do? Let's start by understanding what a frozen YouTube channel means. In the world of content creation, a frozen channel is one that has hit a roadblock. It's like being stuck in quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. This can manifest in various ways, such as a sudden drop in views, a decrease in subscriber count, or even an inability to upload new content. It's like shouting into the void, where your voice echoes back unheard. This can be extremely frustrating, especially when you've put in so much effort into creating and sharing your content. It's like being at a party where everyone seems to ignore you, even though you're trying your best to engage. If these issues sound familiar, don't worry. We're going to tackle them head on. First, let's take a look at your real-time views. This is a fundamental aspect of your YouTube channel's health. These are the statistics that provide you with a snapshot of your channel's performance. It's like the pulse of your channel, giving you a live feed of how many people are watching your videos at any given moment. To access this information, you navigate to YouTube Studio, then click on Analytics. Here, you will find the real-time option. Click on it to see the real-time views of your channel. Now, if you're noticing a sudden or significant drop in these views, it might be an indication that your channel is frozen. It's like when a hummingbird's wings stop fluttering. Something's definitely not right. This is why checking your real-time views regularly is so important. It helps you spot any unusual patterns or drastic changes. Remember, these are the first signs of trouble. The early warning system that alerts you to possible issues with your channel. Understanding your real-time views is a crucial step in diagnosing the issue. Without this knowledge, you're like a captain sailing blind in stormy seas. But with it, you're equipped to navigate and tackle whatever challenges may come your way. Next on the agenda, we delve into the role of originality and consistency. Now let's talk about these two powerful tools that can help you unfreeze your YouTube channel and increase viewership. First up, originality. In the world of YouTube, original content is king. It's what sets you apart from the crowd. It's the hook that reels in your viewers and keeps them coming back for more. When you create original content, you're offering something unique, something that can't be found anywhere else. This not only attracts viewers, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is worth promoting. But how do you create original content? Start by exploring your interests and passions. What are you knowledgeable about? What do you enjoy talking about? Then consider what your audience might be interested in. What questions might they have? What problems might they be trying to solve? By aligning your interests with your audience's needs, you can create content that is both original and engaging. Now let's move on to consistency. Consistency in this context means maintaining a regular upload schedule. When you upload videos on a regular basis, you create a sense of expectation among your viewers. They know when to look out for your next video, and this anticipation can drive engagement and viewership. Moreover, a consistent upload schedule can also boost your visibility on YouTube. The platform's algorithm favors channels that frequently upload new content, so the more consistent you are, the more likely your videos are to be promoted. So how do you maintain consistency? Start by setting a realistic upload schedule. How often can you realistically create and upload new content? Once a week? Twice a week? Whatever your schedule, stick to it. If you promise your viewers a new video every Tuesday, make sure there's a new video every Tuesday. In conclusion, to unfreeze your YouTube channel and boost viewership, you need to focus on creating original content and maintaining a consistent upload schedule. These two elements work hand in hand to attract viewers, increase engagement, and signal to YouTube that your channel is worth promoting. Remember, originality and consistency are key in reviving your YouTube channel. Now, let's talk about channel customization and social media integration. The visual aesthetic of your YouTube channel can play a significant role in attracting viewers. By customizing your channel, you're not only creating a unique identity, but also making it more appealing to your audience. This could be as simple as choosing a catchy channel name, creating an engaging banner, or using eye-catching thumbnails for your videos. Think of your channel as a storefront. If it's appealing, people are more likely to step in and explore. Hence, customizing your channel is an essential step towards unfreezing it. Now moving on to social media integration. In today's digital age, social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have become powerful tools for content creators. By linking your YouTube channel to these platforms, you're giving your audience more ways to engage with your content. It's like casting a wider net in the sea of potential viewers. The more platforms you're present on, the higher the chances of people discovering your content. So make sure to add links to your social media accounts in your YouTube channel's About section, video descriptions, and end screens. In addition to increasing your visibility, social media integration also allows you to interact with your audience on a more personal level. You can use these platforms to update your viewers about new content, gather feedback, or simply engage in casual conversations. All these interactions can foster a sense of community around your channel, encouraging viewers to return and engage more. Remember, YouTube and social media platforms are all part of the same ecosystem. By integrating them, you're streamlining your audience's journey from discovery to engagement, which can help bring your frozen channel back to life. A well-customized channel and strong social media presence can make a big difference. It's important to remember that unfreezing a YouTube channel isn't an overnight process. It's akin to thawing a frozen river. It takes time and consistent warmth. This is where patience and persistence come into play. You've got to keep at it. Keep trickling in that warmth in the form of engaging content, regular uploads, and continuous channel customization. Don't get disheartened if you don't see a jump in your views or subscriber count within a week or two. This process could take anywhere from 1 to 2 months, sometimes even longer. But don't let that discourage you. Remember, the most beautiful flowers take their time to bloom, and so will your channel. In this journey, you may face hurdles, you may encounter setbacks, but it's crucial to not lose sight of your goal. Keep your eyes on the prize and keep pushing forward. After all, it's the constant drops of water that eventually erode the hardest of rocks. Remember, patience and persistence are your allies in this process. Finally, let's discuss when it might be time to consider starting a fresh channel. There comes a point in every creator's journey where they have to make a tough decision. Despite all the hard work and dedication, sometimes the channel just doesn't take off as expected. This could be due to a variety of reasons. Maybe the content isn't resonating with the audience, or the competition is too fierce, or perhaps the channel's reputation has taken a hit due to some unforeseen circumstances. When you've tried everything from checking real-time views, creating original content, being consistent with uploads, to customizing your channel and integrating it with social media, and still see no significant progress, it might be time to consider starting anew. Remember, starting a new channel doesn't mean giving up. On the contrary, it's about taking everything you've learned from your past experiences and using it as a stepping stone to create something even better. It's about taking a bold step towards a fresh start with a more informed perspective and a renewed sense of purpose. Consider this new venture as an opportunity to redefine your content strategy, target a new audience, or explore a different niche. This time, you'll be better equipped to handle challenges, avoid past mistakes, and implement strategies that work. Moreover, starting a new channel provides you with a clean slate. You can build a new reputation, attract a new audience, and create a brand new narrative that aligns more closely with your vision. It's essential to remember that success on YouTube isn't achieved overnight. It requires patience, persistence, creativity, and a lot of hard work. So if you're considering starting a new channel, go for it. Don't see it as a defeat, but rather as a chance to grow, learn, and ultimately succeed. Starting a new channel can seem daunting, but sometimes it's the best way to move forward.